This video, I'm going to show you how you can get the right Yahoo Mail app from your Android smartphone and then install it on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to get the right Yahoo Mail app, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store app for you to install this app on Android smartphone. So my Play Store app is here. Go ahead and search for yours on your Android smartphone. Then go ahead and make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account here to be able to search for your app. Now you can see we have a search bar on top here where you can search for your app by name, or if you can see this, you should see a search icon down below. So I'll tap on search here, then just search the app by name. So I'll search Yahoo Mail like this, and then tap on the search icon down below. And now if I tap on this app, you can see we have here the right Yahoo Mail app. To know that it is the right Yahoo Mail app, make sure it is from Yahoo. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.7 with over 8 million reviews. And currently, this app has been downloaded over 100 million times. So if you see these details, then you'll know that you have the right app. And currently, the average size of this app is 23 MBs. Now with this, you can now proceed and tap on install, and this will download the latest version of Yahoo Mail and then install it on your smartphone. Now once this has been installed, you can proceed and open it from here, or if you go to your apps, now you should be able to see your Yahoo Mail app. Tap on it to open, and this is the welcoming interface for Yahoo Mail app. Now go ahead and either sign in with your Yahoo Mail or with your Google Mail if you already have the account, or if you don't have one, you can now just go ahead and sign up. So that's how you can install the right Yahoo Mail app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.